Today I'm transforming this $1 boat into a luxury dream yacht. We'll be adding things like secret rooms, a water park, and I'll even be attempting to land a helicopter on it. The first step is finding out if the boat we bought floats or sinks, so we're starting off at the ocean.
It's time to see if this thing can actually float. I hope it doesn't sink. Bon voyage! Put your back into it. Here we go. Oh my gosh.
Bro, the back of this boat is halfway underwater.
Half of our furniture is just off under the deep end.
This boat is sinking already.
Let's try to see if this engine can work.
I don't think our boat's turning on.
I don't even know if this boat is worth $1 right now.
At least there's one good thing, we have a diving board.
To build our mega yacht, we have to add a bunch of luxurious items. Apply a bunch of foam to the bottom so it floats, and I'll also be asking for some help from my YouTube friends who have lots of experience with yachts.
Matthew Beam, I have a challenge for you.
The first step into transforming this terrible boat into a yacht is cleaning it. This looks so much better. Now we can start transforming this into an amazing yacht.
We're gonna add a giant water slide to make our yacht stand out.
I feel like we got scammed. This looked way bigger online. This thing is actually extremely small.
This thing's massive, what do you mean?
It's perfect. That is actually the most boring slide I've ever seen in my life. It is not good enough to go on our yacht. So here's just some of the items that we're gonna be putting onto our boat to transform it into a super yacht. We got a tube water slide, a rock climbing wall, and a bunch of other incredible things. This boat is gonna be insane. Next, we're gonna start lifting up the walls. We're crushing my foot and my body. This is definitely too small of a hallway. We're gonna have to expand this out. So we're gonna put a roof on this so there's a room inside of the boat. But we do have a problem now. There's no way to get up on the second floor or down without jumping into the water. Just like that.
I found the way down.
So to fix that problem, we're gonna be lifting up this rock wall and installing it into place. I think maybe we should actually screw the rocks in instead of just using tape.
This rock wall is just the start. We're gonna be adding a ton of crazy amenities to make sure this is the most crazy yacht of all time. I decided to ask my friend for a challenge who happens to know a lot of things about mega yachts.
Matthew Beam, I have a challenge for you. I want you to build a helipad on your yacht and land a helicopter on it. If anyone gets hurt, it's not my fault.
Who does this guy think I am? 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
The boat is shaking so much.
As you can see, it's really rocky up here since we're on the second story of our yacht. So I think we need a better idea to make sure our helicopter is safe. We'll worry about Mr. Beast challenge a little bit later.
Since our boat barely floats right now, it would be extremely dangerous to land a helicopter here.